guys, I just did my freezer, what's in my freezer for privacy. Now I'm doing what's in my fridge. And I got to do these, which they're actually in my fridge, but you can keep them out of your fridge. Pepperettes, they're like $9, $10, they're really good. Now let's see what's in my fridge. For vegetables, I have asparagus. I got it at Costco. Lots of asparagus. I have iceberg lettuce for my salads. I have green peppers and orange and red peppers. They're mini though, but that's okay. I have carrots, and you can warm the carrots up or eat them cold. Then I have an onion, which is for my stir fry. And I'm going to count these as fruits. Okay, there's a raspberry and lemon yogurt. And then this is a 100% fruit smoothie. Has 7.5 servings of fruit, 104 berries. Usually it's like $6. I got on sale for $3. So these are my fruits and stuff, my fruits and vegetables. All right. Putting it all back now. All right. So next thing in my fridge would be cheese. I cannot live without cheese. I like marble cheese. This is Black Diamond cheese. It's very good. I love this cheese. This is just a little bit of cheese. It's medium cheddar cheese. I have just a little bit left. Then I have salami. Which I found out you're not allowed to eat salami when you're pregnant, which is crazy because I thought you could. I have sour cream for hash brown casserole, baked potatoes, or nachos and chips. Or even pierogies, but I don't have any pierogies at the moment. I have creamy Caesar for my salads and vegetables. I have ketchup and mustard. I don't need to show you that. I have pizza in my fridge from last night. I don't need to show you that either. These are eggs. Okay, I always keep eggs in my fridge. I have another pack. It says omega-3. High on omega-3. And then these, which I don't think need to be refrigerated. Oh, actually they do. These are pizza buns. Not the same thing as pizza, but pizza buns. They're $5. All these sausages were, I think, around $10. I need freezer bags for them to open them. Barbecue steaks. These are cheap. They're $2 to $4. I forget. And then I have 2% milk. I just drank all my apple juice, but I had the exact same size of apple juice as this. And then this is Nestea. Natural lemon flavor, iced tea made with real tea. Then I have some chips. Classic Lay's chips, family size. I have Aunt Jemima. For pancakes, I have pancake mix. And then I have some bananas and Pop-Tarts. So that's pretty much what I have, other than like a bunch of soups and stuff, which we don't need to show that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment any videos you'd like me to do.